The most important vessel in the temple, in the Mishkan, the portable sanctuary in the desert, and in the Holy Temple, was, without any question, the Aron, the Ark, which housed the tablets. When the Torah describes the construction of the Ark, the Torah says that you should coat it with pure gold, coating it inside and out. In other words, the gold had to be not only on the outside where everyone could see it, but even on the inside. The Talmud says that this teaches us a lesson that a person should be tocho kibaro, his inside as he is outside. In other words, the Torah is telling us we should not be hypocrites. We shouldn't outwardly we pose as righteous people, as pious people, as good people, but beneath the surface we're rotten. A person should be inside as he is outside. The Talmud tells us that Rabbi Gamliel, the great sage, demanded that no student should be allowed into his academy unless they are tocho kibaro. Their inside was like their outside. I think that we're living in an age where we could reverse that. Because if you look in the text of the Torah, it says you should coat it with pure gold, coating it inside and outside. So one could read that totally the opposite way, that your outside should be like your inside. Because we know that ultimately, if you dig deep and probe beneath the surface of every Jew, deep down, the inside is good and is holy. So when we talk about being consistent, we're telling people that your outside should be like your inside. Why is that message more relevant today than ever before? Because as we get closer to the final redemption, all of the hidden things are revealed. That's what it says in the book of Daniel, that everything becomes clarified. The hidden things become revealed, become exposed. And that means also that our hidden good and holy talents and qualities that heretofore were concealed, were suppressed, repressed, are now coming out into the open, and we're seeing people doing phenomenal things. Everyone gets caught up with the negative things in the world, and we forget that there are so many phenomenally positive things going on. People demonstrating, exhibiting such great spiritual and positive talents and qualities. But sometimes people who are so good inside are embarrassed to show off their goodness. They're reticent. They're just shy, and they're not used to expressing these deep emotions. And when a person discovers that they have some talent that they never even knew they had before, that's your inside. You should make sure that your outside should be expressive of those talents. Don't hide it. Don't keep it as a secret, because these talents were revealed for a very special reason. It's for us to bring about the final redemption once and for all, and we need to invest all of our powers, not just the revealed ones, but also the hidden ones. That way, we create the ark that is coated with gold in the inside, but also on the outside.